Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services, and the momentum continues after last week of stellar rally. This Monday afternoon, as I speak to all of you all at around about 12:15, markets are trading strongly in the green trajectory. And after a long period of consolidation, though, if you remember, friends, entire month of August, and of course, very recently, we had given our view that the broad range for the market was in a consolidation zone, 19,200, 300 on the lower side, 19,500, 600 on the higher side. And last week, in fact, we mentioned that the possibility of Nifty crossing over that hurdle of 19,500 and 600. And we'd also that moment we have a decisive close above 19,600, the momentum towards the all-time high is going to be sooner rather than later, and that's what exactly is happening. Give you certain levels on the market this Monday afternoon at around about 12:15. Sensex is up about 340 points. 66,940 is the level on Sensex. Nifty is up 120 points. 19,940 is the level on Nifty Spot. Nifty Bank 230 points up. 45,390 is the level on Nifty Bank. And on the rupee dollar equation and crude oil, well, rupee is gaining with a little bit of strength against the dollar. 82.90 is the level of rupee against a dollar. And on the Brent and NYMEX, elevated level, but a little bit of downtick. $90.44 to a barrel is Brent. $87 to a barrel is NYMEX. If you recollect, friends, the output cut by OPEC Plus, especially Russia and Saudi Arabia, has triggered a little bit of upside. But let us see whether how much elevated levels we see in the crude oil front, both the Brent and NYMEX. On the rupee dollar equation, our sense is that we should possibly see a little bit of more strength on the rupee against the dollar. And on the market, well, our sense is that moment we cross over the all-time high, that is 19,991.85, which we made in the month of July, I think we will be our momentum on the markets is going to be quite on the positive side. So expect these levels to be taken off this week. The only thing is that for the last almost about 7 days, from last week Monday onwards till this Monday, markets are in a positive momentum. So you might have one-off days of profit booking, a little bit of consolidation. But the writing is on the wall. I think all-time high could be sooner rather than later. We have maintained our positive view on the markets for a pretty long period of time, and we've always advised to accumulate or invest in stocks which are fundamentally sound and strong. G20 meet, which is underway, is also opening up tremendous amount of opportunity for India. And India is now looked upon as the leader as far as the emerging markets are concerned. Policy decision, bilateral talks, MOUs getting signed will be clear as we go into this week. But definitely the spot is quite bright as far as India is concerned, and I think we'll continue the momentum on the higher side. So expect a new all-time high possibly this week if all goes well. But a little bit of profit booking consolidation cannot be ruled out since we've been maintaining the upside for the last almost about 7 days. As always, friends, we give you two investment ideas. So first one is from a mid-cap cement sector. Name of the company is Sagar Cement. With the monsoon now withdrawing, construction activity is going to gain more space. Not that it was during the month of monsoon, but I think the momentum is going to be much faster. State elections, big election next year, state government, central government spending as far as infrastructure creation is concerned, announcement made by the government in terms of new projects. Consumption of cement is likely to go up. Metros, monorails coming up in state. Consumption is going to go up. Real estate sector improving. That is also going to have a huge impact as far as consumption of cement is concerned. So, and this is a relatively mid-cap player with a decent presence pan-India. So, and of course, earning visibility being there. So, first investment idea is Sagar Cement, a mid-cap company from the cement sector. The second one is from a consumer durable, AC manufacturing company, and the name is quite synonymous with a decent market share, and that is Blue Star. Uh, Monsoon will withdraw. We'll have a little bit of mild heat in the month of October, November before the winter sets in. But the aspirations of semi-urban and rural India is tremendously going on the higher side. Spendable uh, amounts are increasing, expenditure is increasing, aspiration from a ceiling fan to a cooler migrating onto a window or a split AC. I think the demand is very, very strong, whether it is metros, tier 2, tier 3 cities or semi-urban and rural India. And I think similarly like FMCG sector, our sense is that demand from semi-urban and rural India and their aspirations growing is going to have a tremendous impact as far as white good appliances companies are concerned, likes of Blue Star. So both these investment ideas, friends, are from long-term point of view, fundamentally, Sagar Cement as well as Blue Star. So you need to have a longest time horizon. Now, since we are, virtually at a new trajectory, don't put in all your money at one time. Phased out buying is always, we recommend that in a staggered way and increase your investment in these two companies. But mind you, these are long-term investment ideas, so you need to have 1.5 to 2 year plus kind of time horizon. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.